Hello, hello, hello! We're here for a little bit of Gwent today. Today's a real treat. We're going to play my favorite deck that I've been playing for a while now. Let's play with the audio a little bit, because man, those sound effects are loud. We'll go with 3. Sound good? Yeah, okay. Let's do that. All right, let's take a wee look at the deck. Now, it's not a net deck, thank God, and it's called Blame It on the Rain. When it's fallen. Anyway, bottom up, I got some 2 whale harpooners. This will knock a unit to another row, damage it by the number of units on that row. The damage is okay. The main point is to knock people off of the road that they want to be on. This helps with defenders. This helps with people like cards that have a specific use in a row. I just found that it really works. One megascope for the Messengers of the Sea. Messengers of the Sea get boosted by 1 every time rain or storm damages a unit. Excellent card. Tears of the Siren spawn rain on a row for 2 turns and get a deafening siren on the row. This also really helps for those that dragon card that people are putting out that it burns the lowest one. Well, if, you just throw out a crappy little siren that gets burned up, then your good cards aren't going to get burned, and it'll give you time to boost up. Spores, incredibly useful right now. Everything is boost. Everything. So you can just knock that down. If someone's using Sunset Wanderers, that'll become a 1. Torrential Rain. This is a rain deck, so put rain on 3 turns on a row. Melusine Cultist. This card. Take a look at this card. Excuse me. So, the basic use, put it out there as an order for the next turn. It'll spawn rain for 2 turns on enemy row. That's cool. The extra part here is if rain is on the opposite row and it damages, it boosts the card to its right. If it's storm, boosts the cards to its left. So don't forget that boost. Don't forget that boost. We also have Freya's Blessing to bring back any Messengers of the Sea that get killed. Also, it's an alchemy card, so Bride of the Sea who can play it. We'll get to Bride of the Sea here in a second. Scepter of Storms spawns rain for 3 turns and has great synergy with Vadermaker. Vadermaker is one of the keys to the deck. It'll increase all row effects by 1. If Scepter of Storms is out there, it does it by 3. That's very important because rain just does 2 points of chip damage. Not much. But if you get Skellige Storm, which does 1 point across the row, to everything on the row, you do a lot more damage. Now, this deck also starts with Ryogan, the Undying, in the graveyard. If he gets pulled out of the graveyard, he triggers all the effects of rain and storm to happen immediately. So if you have Skellige Storm that has been increased duration by 3 on a row, then it can do 4 or 5 damage to everything across the row immediately. And then let's say rain is on the other one, it does it immediately. You do lots and lots of damage with that. This deck does take a little bit of brain power. Bride of the Sea. Play an alchemy card from your graveyard with provision 4. So that's minimum. For every rain or storm is on the opponent's side, you increase it by 1. So if you have rain out there, let's say you use your leader ability to increase it by 2 or 4, then you can play Sigdrifa's Right, pull any Skellige unit from your graveyard to an allied row, give it doomed. Any Skellige unit from your graveyard. Any. That could also be Melusine. That could be Fulmar, which we'll get to. Dire Bear, which has been winning me games left and right, and Covenant of Steel, which is Defender. Defender 7, that's an easy one. That's the next card. Dire Bear. This card. Units on the opposite row cannot be boosted. And he's an 8, so it's hard to kill. Berserk 7, that means if it has 1 damage on it, it only affects the other row. And when it goes out, it affects yours and the other. Put it next to Melusine. Melusine damages it by 1 immediately. There you go. Royal Decree. Play something from your deck. Melusine is a nice deck. Is a nice card to have in here. Not the focus. That's why I really like it when Melusine is not the focus of the deck, but a strong part. Fulmar is actually more important, I feel. So you play him out there. He plays Tears the Siren on an opposite row. Then his order is replace the rain with storm. Okay, so here you go. So let's say you get rain out there for 2 turns. Then you boost the rain there with your leader ability. Let's say you use a Melusine Cultist rain, so now rain's on there 2, 4, 5 turns, right? Then you use his order, Fulmar's order, to make it storm. Now you got storm on there for 5 turns. Okay, cool. But that's an order, so that's played on. So you still can play a card. You play Fukushia, who puts rain on a row for 2, and pulls out Ryogen, who triggers everything. So now there's just damage across the board. You've got 12 points out there. It's insane. It's insane. The amount of damage this deck puts out there is insane. Now, Fukushia is an important card. And you have to read it all to really understand it. What she does is she pulls a skeleton unit from your graveyard with a provision cost of 10 or less and gives it doomed. And then here's the last sentence is important. And spawn rain on the opposite row with a duration equal to unused provisions. So if you pull Ryogen out, there's 2 provisions, you get rain 2 out there. Rain 2 happens before he triggers. So you get rain 2. And what you have to think about, if you set up your storm on a row, the rain will replace it. So you have to be careful where you put Fukushia. So you can see, you can pull people out of your graveyard with Sigdrifa, with Fukushia, with and you can pull things out of your deck with Royal Decree. You can trigger Sigdrifa again with Bride of the Sea to pull another thing out. It's very nice. Very nice. I got Covenant in there just because people like to kill. If I really want to say screw people over with Dire Bear, or if I really want to save Fulmar for the turn, if I've got that setup going, or a Messenger of the Sea. Let's get playing. I have done very well with this deck, but saying that, we will probably lose because I said that. I seem to lose quite a bit. Let's get this big cup rolling. Okay. Other than that, guys, we're going to try to get... I think the season's up in like 14 days. We're going to try to get pro. We're going to try to get past level 1. I've done really well with this deck, though. It's really... because everything's trying to boost right now. Everything. And so Dire Bear has really been coming into its own. People don't expect it. You can see how many times people are hovering. You can see when they're hovering over your card. We got...
Mahakam wasn't built in a day.
Hand buffing dwarfs, it looks like, maybe? Okay. My Pooner might be a good card in this, and then Dire Bear may be good as well. Got Melusine, good. I'm liking this. Got the Megascope. Scepter of Storms. Spores, I like to keep that last. I like to win the first round outright. Give them second. And then have last card play ability in the third. Right. Give them the chance to... You think he would kill it right off the bat? He's got the 5. Okay. Yeah. I don't think he can kill a Melusine. Right off the bat. Let's find out. This is a huge Karathi Heatwave target. And I'm okay with it. Like I said. Oh, Saskia!
Hold the lines! Got business for me?
Ooh, okay. So, he's also looking to win the first round pretty handily here.
I never miss.
Alright, well, let's do this. Let's throw him into the next thing. Boop. We'll get up to 6 strength. That'll defend her a little bit better. Alright. Now we will... Cheers here. Okay. That's fine.
Oh, if anyone's got any hooch left.
Alright. Gonna try to boost up this Messenger of the Sea. Could Sigdrifa Melusine back. He's not boosting anything right yet. Here we go.
That's it! Shut up, human!
This looks like something we may just pass on here. Could I win it? I'll tell you what. We'll pass. So that ruins his carryover for 2 of his cards. That's good. That's good. That ruined his carryover for 2 cards. I don't think Dire Bear's too good of a card right now. We got our defender out. Okay. Ooh. This is a spicy meets a ball right here. Okay. Let's see what he goes with. Okay.
When the white frost comes, do not eat the yellow snow.
We're gonna have to play something big here, aren't
We'll show you how blood spilling's done.
we? We'll show you how blood spilling's done. You have the look of your mother. Love Braveheart. Great movie. That movie changed the 90s. Alright.
Oi! Hey there! Come here!
I guess, are we doing this? Are we doing this?
You waiting around stopping I'll croak, you badger!
Don't know if we're doing this or not. Alright, we'll do this.
I'm wed to no man, but to the sea and its goddess.
So even minimum, if you have Tears of this... Okay.
Special prize, just for you,
That's why
love.
we kept the Pooner out. Get him off the front. I guess we're doing this.
Sisters, follow me!
Why would you play that if we're not? Well,
Modern Freyr is patient, but she brooks no insult.
alright. Now we'll see how deep we're going into this. Okay.
Too slow. You're dead already.
That's not showing too much, I don't think. I'm playing a lot of my good stuff right here, which is not good. I don't know. Am I playing a lot of my good stuff? I got Dire Bear here, which... It's going to be Dire Bear Melusine. Ooh, okay. Alright. Now we're going all in. Let's do it.
Onward, Fryhead!
Ooh, okay. That's a spicy meets a ball. I tell you what.
What do you need?
Take some of that.
In the end, the sea will swallow all.
Shit. Not two. We're fine. Okay. Boop doo doo doo. Boop. Okay. I used my spores. Damn it. I think we're screwed now. I do think we're screwed. I got my fucsia. I can pull out Fulmar if I need to. Damn it. Damn it. I knew I was going to lose.
Bow before modern Freyr.
Wow, before modern Freya. Knew it. Damn it.
Man is a polluted river, I tell you.
Okay, let's see if that one goes. Yeah, see, we don't have the time that I wanted. There's nothing that could reset in there now. I mean, the best we could do is probably Melusine. Well, let's hedge our bets. He's got
Feign not ignorance.
torque.
Remember to whom you speak.
So we're Not thrilled with how this went.
Kiss bar in me.
Okay.
Blood and neck hands. Similian Vat.
Alright, let's put the old... Yeah. Okay.
You'll regret your mum ever squirting
Yeah, I
you
remember.
out.
This is where I said you gotta be careful where you put fucks ya.
He shall be mine alone, forever.
A blessing, shortly. Then a curse forevermore.
So, I mean, if he didn't have torque right there, then he didn't win, right? But he probably did. Yeah. That's why you have to win the first round against them. You have to, you have to, you have to. You have to, you have to, you have to. Let's play another one, because I'm not ready to give up. I want some good card backs. I see I'm saving up my keys here. Because I want something really good to come down the pike. I want some good card backs. I want some good... Oh, you know what I've also figured out? I used to play a lot of Syndicate. Syndicate Jackpot is like almost non-brain. Is like a non-brain play. It's so easy. This is interesting. I've seen... I heard Pirates is strong. I don't have the scraps to make it right now. I really want to. I'm really liking Skellige. We could do the Vader Maker move here. I don't need both of these. Ooh. That may be useful. I haven't played this. Yeah, this is strong. I haven't played against Pirates too. They got okay. That's a strong play. Just a strong play. Play him out there. Always play him on the opposite road that you're going to want to play. Rain. So this does 3 damage split between all units. Not that big a deal. He used it for that. I'm okay with that. So we'll do this. Give him nothing to interact with. Okay, I've never seen that. Mega scoping. Okay. The bear. All right. Yeah, we'll do that.
In the end, the sea will swallow all.
What do we pull out of the deck? He's not boosting anything, right? so Dire Bear is not a good idea. Play another messenger if they don't kill it right now.
That might even be amusing.
Nothing like some overseas plunder.
Okay, well, she gets boosted by 2. Nope, she doesn't. She dies. Alright.
Bow before modern Freya.
Let's get some points out there. Ooh, now she's an 8. Look at that. Tell you the truth, if they want to go all out on, I'm fine with it. Let's play him.
Feed us with strength as we feed you with blood.
Ah, that mother.
No, they don't hurt.
Well, now we have to win. Now we have to win. Because we can't deal with that. Okay. Let's move. Should we move Coral up? That's fine.
Board up the windows, bar the doors, stow the animals inside.
We can still do that. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. There we go. Now we're catching up. Let him, yeah. Take everything you want. Take all that crap. You've already destroyed my big play, so now I have to probably go with a good Melusine or something here.
Arcade!
This message is for Fulmar. His eyes only.
Yeah, we're going all out. You gotta be friggin' kidding me. Alright.
The goddess protect you from all evil.
Hear my prayer! Fill me with strength!
Looks like we're going all out. What you got left, buddy? What's that last card? Because I'm bluffing on mine. He's playing it. I hope it's a really good one at this point. It is!
Steel and storm!
Feels good. I got that card out. Thank God. That's okay. Don't think you're as important as you were. Okay. Go. I think I'm in a good spot here. Yeah, I think I'm in a pretty good spot. Oh, yes. Let's see what we got. I could use that. I could use that. Spores would be nice too. Okay, so yeah, we'll put that out there.
I could do this all day.
It's also high points. High points. Good points. What can we pull back with Fukushia? No. Can't pull him back with full mon. Alright.
Easy there, big fella. Easy.
You broke my heart. You shall never find peace.
That felt good.
To arms! To arms! The foe is nigh!
I'd lend you a hand, but then I'd have none.
It felt good. I think we won. The ship riding the storm, huh? Did I get quiet there? I'm sorry if I did. I was concentrating. Played the storm. Let's see what he's got. It would have to be a 15-point play, and it's not. All right.
On thy courageous mother.
There we go. There we go. See, it wins. It wins. It does win. Send a good game. Us getting out that Morkvark at the very beginning. Very good. Young Wolf. 75 standard matches. Look at that. Okay, well. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you try the Rain deck. I've seen no one else playing it. It's gotten me to level 3. So, I hope you enjoyed the game, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye, guys.